Multiple regroupings with 4 digits instruction. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to regroup multiple times with 4-digit numbers. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Please be aware that we're going to answer all of these problems together. If at any time you would like to try the problem on your own first, you may pause the video and do so. Please copy down this first problem. 8,137 minus 1,884. Let's subtract this together. If you'd like to try it on your own, you may pause the video. When you are subtracting larger numbers, you always want to ensure that your numbers line up by place value, so that way you're subtracting the correct numbers. You also want to ensure that you keep track of when you need to borrow. You always borrow when the big number's on the bottom. Let's answer this together. We will start with 7 minus 4. We'll circle the 7, touch and count backward. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We did not borrow because the 7 is the largest number on top. Next, we'll subtract 3 minus 8. We'll circle 8 as the bigger number. It's on the bottom, so we borrow. The 3 becomes a 13. We cross off the 1. It becomes a 0. Now we can count back. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Next, we will subtract 0 minus 8. We'll circle the 8. It's on the bottom, so we must borrow. The 0 becomes a 10. We cross off the 8. It becomes a 7. Now we can subtract 10 minus 8. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Finally, we have 7 minus 1. We'll circle the 7, touch and count. 7, 6. Our answer is 6,253. Be sure to check your work. Please copy down this next problem. 9,028 minus 2,469. We'll begin with 8 minus 9. We'll circle the bigger number, which is 9. Because it's on the bottom, we must borrow. The 8 becomes an 18. We cross off the 2, it becomes a 1. We go back to subtract. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Next, we'll subtract 1 minus 6. We'll circle the 6. It's on the bottom, so we should borrow. The 1 becomes an 11, but we cannot take from the 0. When we're trying to borrow from the 0, we must go next door one more time. That 9 becomes an 8. The 0 becomes a 10, but then we cross it off and it becomes a 9 because the 1 has to borrow to make an 11. Now we can subtract 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Next, with 9 minus 4, we'll circle the 9, touch and count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Finally, we'll subtract 8 minus 2. We'll circle the 8, touch and count backward. 8, 7, 6. Our answer is 6,559. Be sure to check your work. Our next problem is 8,460 minus 6,817. We will subtract this together. If you'd like to subtract it on your own, you may pause the video to do so. We will begin with 0 minus 7. We'll circle the 7. It's on the bottom, so we need to borrow. The 0 becomes a 10. We cross off the 6, and it becomes a 5. So now we subtract 10 minus 7. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, we subtract 5 minus 1. We circle the 5. It's the bigger number on top, so we don't borrow. 5, 4. Next, we have 4 minus 8. We'll circle the 8. It's on the bottom, so we need to borrow. The 4 becomes 14. We cross off the 8, it becomes a 7. So now we'll subtract 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Finally, we'll circle the 7 and subtract and count backward on the 6. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our answer is 1,643. Be sure to check your work. Our next problem is 7,000 minus 1,874. We're going to subtract this together. If you'd like the chance to try it on your own, you may pause the video to do so. I see a lot of zeros, so that means there's going to be a lot of borrowing. Let's see how it works. With 0 minus 4, the 4 is the bigger number on the bottom. We're going to make that 0 a 10, but we can't take from this 0, and we can't take from this other 0. So we need to cross off the 7, which becomes a 6. This 0 becomes a 10. We cross off, it becomes a 9. This 0 becomes a 10. We cross off, it becomes a 9. And then finally, this 0 can be a 10. Now we can count backward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Next, we have 9 minus 7. We'll circle the 9, touch and count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next, we'll subtract 9 minus 8. We'll circle the 9, touch and count backward. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finally, we'll circle the 6, touch and count. 6, 5. Our answer is 5,126. Be sure to check your work. Our final problem to copy down is 5,116 minus 4,964. Let's subtract this together. If you'd like the chance to try it on your own, you may pause the video now. We'll begin with 6 minus 4. We'll circle the 6. It's on the top, so there is no regrouping or borrowing. We can touch and count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next, with 1 minus 6, we'll circle the 6. It's big bottom borrow, so that 1 needs to become an 11. We cross the other one off and it becomes a 0. So now we can subtract 11 minus 6. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Next, with 0 minus 9, we'll circle the 9. Because it's on the bottom, it means we need to borrow. The 0 becomes a 10. We cross off the 5 and it becomes a 4. So now we can subtract 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finally, we have 4 minus 4. They're both the same number, so we'll circle the one on top. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Because this is the last place value, you can write the 0 down, but it's not necessary because our answer is only 152. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we regrouped multiple times with 4-digit numbers. Thank you for following along.